We've been streaming for 58 minutes. Hey, it doesn't matter. We're here now. Welcome, YouTube. Welcome. YouTube had a little bit of a hard time letting us get off the ground today, folks. But you know what? We're here now, and that's what matters. I got to hit the thing, guys, but I can't hit the thing because I got to freaking win the game. It's like this, right? I don't know what to do. I can't castle? You're saying I can't castle? Probably didn't have to come there. Come here, I guess, and try and pretend I'm going to checkmate him or something. Knight takes. Pretty strong. Just takes my bishop. I got castled. Oh, my queen! Kirby's not... Kirby was giving some serious stuff up here a minute ago. I'm getting safe. Okay. Gotta take, I guess. No choice. It's dumb. I resign. He beat me on the board and the clock. Kirby might have just passed me right there. I gotta see if I can get one more game off. But I gotta win it. But I can't beat anybody. Makar's too good. Electro's too good. It's okay. We got this. Okay. I mean, it's a thing, but I don't think it's doing anything, right? Okay. I want that. That's mine. Okay, and then... what do you do? Just goes there. The thing is, you'll lose on time looking too hard for these tactics. I say that now, and then I lose on time at the end with the queen. Okay. That's a good move. There's no way! It ended? I still got second place. Woo! Barely, Kirby. Barely, Kirby. It had to be tie breaks. Wow. I needed to win that game, and I was winning that game. It was over. Because I had him 17-5 and on the board. Up a queen and a bit, and up a queen, up a queen, up a queen, up a queen. Dude. Falcons, you play good, dude. You're fast. Your only points... Dude, I feel... You only got one draw from me. I mean, my God, I felt like you were crushing me every time I played you. That was crazy. Good games. Good tournament, Poople. Congratulations. You kept facing the two 2400s who just destroyed me every game. Two 2400s? Oh, Willem is here. Dude, oh, at the end. Yeah. That's Monk Chaotic. He's a great supporter of a stream. That guy's been around here for a long time. That's a real 2400 Willem, his name's Monk Chaotic. Do you ever play anyone that doesn't know the game too well and just causes pure chaos? Daniel Todd. Yeah, he was late. Right. Hey, how you doing, Monk Chaotic? You know what? When somebody doesn't know the game very well, chess isn't a thing where, like, oh, this guy, it's not like poker where Phil Hellmuth is like, honey, he called in the third seat to a 3-bet with the queen 4 suited. And it's like, that might be a really dumb move in professional poker. But when you make that dumb move one time, they think they read your hand, and they don't. Because no idiot would do that. But you are an idiot because you don't know how to play poker. And it makes Phil Hellmuth mad. But the fact is, that's the nature of his game. In our game, you could see the cards. So when someone doesn't understand the game very well, was your question, they just play bad moves. And you're just a better chess player, and the moves you make might not be perfect, but they just might be better than that guy or that gal. And then, so people that don't know the game very well, there are people that know the game very well. There are people that do know the game very well that cause pure chaos. A world champion, Mikhail Tal, he caused pure chaos a lot of times and still became world champion. And after the game, they could figure out, we could have just done this and beat you. He's like, yeah, but you didn't beat me because we were on a clock. They're not playing as fast, though, Daniel Todd. How you doing, by the way? How you doing, Daniel Todd? Good to see you, my brother. I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. Okay, guys, I got to grab the thing, and then we're going to play 1 minute. I've got a challenge right now. I'm going to take it till I hit the thing. I'll be right back. Muhammad is still waiting for me, so he gets a game. I'm gonna play him. He's $9.99, guys. It's unrated. It should be unrated though. So if it's unrated, then we can't help him break 1,000 right now. But that's okay. Supposed to play C3 there. Go, man. It's 1 minute. He trapped my knight, huh? I'll go with it. I'll take it. That's probably not best, but you know what? Okay, it could be not too bad. We're gonna go here. Maybe get off of that. Right? Bring a knight. Maybe get a shove. Maybe if when push comes to shove, he's going to get to F4 no matter what. We're just going to come here. Can we let him have F4, though? I guess we come here. Take away his thingy. Yeah. Right. That's a good move. If you don't like knights. What do you do? Okay. Here. How'd you bring rooks? 1,000,000%. Oh, my God. How'd he find this move? I'm busted. It's over. I made it. Dude, I resign. That was good attack, dude. Mohammed, you're a great attacking player. You crushed me. On the board and on the clock. Mohammed, let me see what you're doing here. Mohammed, he's been around since 2025. This is not a new account. I've played him before, too. And he plays a lot of bullet. He wins a lot of bullet. Yeah. Yeah, he loses plenty, too. He's a bullet player. Very good, Mohammed. I kind of learned a little bit from you there. Just go and attack, keep attacking, and win. You played a Scholars Mate the last game and it worked. Nice. You guys are funny, man. You guys are absolutely funny. If I do need to play Oakwood Drive, my new original. Wait, Oh, Daniel's, oh, I'm good, man. Gonna try and come out tomorrow night. Dude, I'd love it, man. Yeah, come play your new song, dude. I want to hear it, brother. I want to hear it. Guys, someone send me a challenge. Challenge Rosewood Charly. Challenge Rosewood. Whoa. Slow down. Slow down. There we go. Challenge Rosewood Charly 1-0 unrated. Bang, bang. There we go. Now you guys got the new pinned comment. So we can play some 1 minute. Pin that sucker. And pin this sucker. Whoa, there's no way. Are we growing the community? Yunus Rodman. Mandors. I'm trying to read your name. Yunus Rodman. Your name is Yunus? Love it. You know why I love it? Because I don't know anybody named Yunus. So you are my new Yunus. You are my new... Invite? No. I want to pin. Pin comment. Yeah. Cool. Something went wrong. Unable to pin. Why? Pin. Nice to meet you. Thank you, man. That's your name? Yunus Rodman? It's great because Rodman is a name I've heard before. Like, I don't know. I think there was some tennis player or something. Big, tall guy with white hair. Yeah, that guy. I think he was someone I heard of before. But I don't know anyone else named Rodman except for you. And your name is Eunice. Does it mean something? Or is that just literally your name? And then if your name is Eunice, then why is your last name Rodman? NBA player Dennis Rodman. Got that, got that. Okay, so is that what your name is a tribute to? Yeah. Oh, wow. There we go. All right, someone send me a challenge and we'll play. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go into the pool. Monkeyiotic's followage, 1,959 days. That is huge, Monkeyiotic. Thank you for the support. Monkeyiotic always comes back by to say hello. Sometimes years ago he was around more than he is now, but he still comes back. He says, I always loved the Facebook gaming section back then. I wish they don't close the stream feature. Oh, my Monkeyiotic. It was horrible. 41 day to 2K days following your journey, Charlie. Yeah, Monkeyiotic. I'll tell you this. I don't think you were 2,400. So I've been following your journey a little bit too. Okay, my name is Turkish name, Eunice. Okay, but I used this nickname for a long time. So Eunice Rodman. And Rodman is for Dennis Rodman, right? He says, you a Bulls fan? Is that the team he's on, guys? The Chicago Bulls? See, even I know nothing about sports, but I know Chicago Bulls. And you pronounce it very well. Thank you. And you say it's Turkish. Yeah, well, I studied Turkish when I was in Turkey. No, I've never been to Turkey. I never studied Turkish. But I wish I did. Yeah. Hey, all right. Human cheat code, 1 minute. Human cheat code has a chance because I've been losing to everybody today. Human cheat code, get to your board, my brother. Don't start thinking about moves. Just, it's 1 minute. Human cheat code. It's gonna abort. Move. Human cheat code. I accepted it instantly. The arena is over. I want to congratulate Christoph Pupil for first place, myself for second, AFM Kirby for third place. Great arena. I'm glad we've been having those arenas every Monday here at Charly Sardo Gaming. We just started those about like a month and a half ago or something. And now we're doing like, what are we doing? Yeah, we do that. Tuesday, I play subs on Twitch, members on YouTube, and supporters on Facebook. Wednesday is our tournament day, biggest stream of the week, folks. Thursday is tournament review, and I play 3 minute against viewers, which is actually really cool. He just wants to keep putting his bishop there. It's a maneuver. You make me move my knight, I'll move my knight. Okay, he attacks my pawnster. I'm going to take El Spatula in El Centro, if y'all don't mind. Do I do something dumb? Do I go here and just make him start? He's attacking me like the last guy, and I don't like it one bit. Queen takes was better. Oh my god, he didn't see it! I think I have to just take this. Okay, and then I guess pin the knight maybe could be an idea. I threatened mate, guys. I threatened mate and said pin the knight to distract him. Not to say he was listening. Human cheat code, how are you doing, my brother? He is not a stream sniper. He is one of us. It wasn't fun. You weren't fun of any team in the NBA. You used to watch it, and I am an old professional basketball player in my country. Dude, really? You know what I suck at? Basketball. Guys, we have a special announcement. Mac Travels Everywhere stopped in on YouTube and said, Charlie, you handsome bastard. I've made it to Istanbul. Next week, we tackle Africa. Dude, and then he said some words I don't know how to say, and I'm not going to say them because I don't know what they mean. But I'll tell you this. It probably has something to do with Istanbul in Africa. Mac, have a great trip, brother. Love you, man. Love you, brother. New game, anyone? I think you had... I definitely blundered. Yeah, here I blundered when I moved the bishop because you had bishop takes. And you threatened mate. I have to do this. Free piece. Then you can, like, bring the queen and start threatening stuff. Yeah, I'm in a lot of trouble here. I could maybe take here. What happens? What does it say? I'm losing, right? I might not be losing because of these pieces. Yeah, I am losing. I am 1,000,000% losing. I'm just losing because of the piece. It's too much. So it just goes to show you, human cheat code, that just because someone's rated higher than you, 1,000 points higher than you, they're still making mistakes. So much easier to see the board when you're not playing and just watching it. Yeah, no kidding, huh? It's nice to just relax and watch some chess sometimes. You know what's like that is video games like... I used to play a lot of Call of Duty. I didn't play a lot of Warzone, but I played a lot of normal Call of Duty. And I like to watch a lot of the famous pros play normal Call of Duty, but I also like to watch people play Warzone. And I don't know, I probably dropped into Warzone like 300 or 400, 500 times in my life. That's not a lot. And I'm not good at it. And it's just enjoyable to watch your favorite streamer play Warzone. You know what I mean? You sit back, you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Some people just don't get streamers. And that's okay, but they're like, I don't understand. I've seen people say, like, you literally go on your chat and beg for money. It's like, yeah, well, some people do that for sure. It's like, but I don't. But people pay you money to play video games. That's ridiculous. And it's like, so don't watch, bro. Why are you so angry? I think that guy hates his job. You know what I'm saying? Usually the person that's attacking something is the person that is, like, jealous or hates it. And I'm not trying to make myself feel better by saying he's just jealous. I never liked that. That's not a thing for me. I don't talk about, like, oh, that guy's just jealous. But I'm telling you, the fact is, I believe the fact without being without having it be a dig. I think a lot of people that attack things like that, I think it's probably because they're jealous. Yeah. Feel bad for them. Send me a challenge. The rant is over. You love 80s and 90s when Michael Jordan was great. Oh, love it, dude. Oh, yeah. I was going to say, Eunice, I suck at basketball to the point where, well, in general, I suck at anything that you have to throw a target. You have to throw at a target. That could be basketball. That could be darts. That could be baseball. I suck at all those games. I suck at bowling, but not that's not really the problem. I just suck because I suck. But if you have to throw, like if I crumple the paper up, I'm not hitting it, dude. Dude, I can't take my shirt off and throw it into the basket with a backdrop, with a corner backdrop. I still miss it sometimes. Yeah, I have plenty of things that I do well enough to where I feel like I've spent time and I've worked at them and I've gotten okay at them. Not You could give me the ball and leave me alone, and it might take me 4 or 5 shots to make one basket. I'm not even kidding. That's how bad I am. There's something about my hand-eye coordination about throwing it. Now, it's not that I'm completely athletic. I mean, I did play some baseball when I was younger, played a little football when I was younger, did a whole bunch of martial arts when I was, like in my late teens, young man, late teens, early 20s. And so I've done athletic things. You don't want to play catch with me, bro. You're going to say, dude, I don't need to practice fielding. I want you to throw the ball at my mitt. We're just hanging out talking. It's like, yeah, I suck. Yeah. You're not a bad chess player, actually, between 1,400 and 1,500. But nowadays, I have a cloudy mind in my rating, or some got less. Yeah. That's cool, Eunice. Cheat Code says, oh, it was Human Cheat Code. Okay, that was Human Cheat Code that said that. Dude, thanks for the game. Send me a rematch. Someone send me some challenges, bro. I want to play 1 minute. I'm not even going to lie. I got a gaming stream tonight, and I got to make dinner, but guess what? I'd rather hang out with you guys for a long time. I really would. I could play some, I could play from the pool, guys. We got to, let's get it going. I'm going to play from the pool. Let one of you guys get in the mood. Whoa. Is this going to be rated? Wow. I got lucky there. Okay, can I keep it? I don't think I can. I'm gonna do something. I gotta move. Make him pay for it, maybe. I don't know. It's like I spent so much time making him pay for it that. Hit the knight, hit the bishop. You say, what do you mean hit the knight? Well, it's pinned. The thing was pinned, guys. Darn it! I got it! Oh! Fisher one girl. Fisher girl. Good game, Fisher girl. Oh, that was from the pool. She wants a rematch. I'm going to take it, guys. Fisher girl, champion. We're looking at her profile and see if it's really Fisher girl. Do you guys think it's really Fisher girl, like the Fisher girl? I'm chasing it around, guys. Is it working? Now the pawn's a problem, so I guess we gotta what? I blew it, man. I overextended, guys. I overextensioned. I got hair extensions. Wants to shove me. Okay, just come back. I'm attacking my own king, guys. Why would you attack your own king? You got my thing? Take that, I guess. Why would I do that? That probably wasn't the best move, but it's not the worst move. Okay, we hit this. No, we can't hit it. We go here. I have a check. No, I don't. Okay, I don't know where to go. Oh no! I didn't see it. She didn't see it. Wait, we gotta check this count, guys. You think it's? Let's see if it's real. Fisher girl, February 24th, 2026. Legit. Okay. There's no thing. 0 friends. Because, you know, guys, right? Like, I mean, I used to do the same thing. It's fun. Like, when you play World of Warcraft, you make your character, you make it a female. And then, like, warrior guys come over, bunga bunga, like, they go, me bonk, and they kill your mobs for you because they think they're saving a girl, right? You know, a lot of people like to play girls, blah, blah, blah. But might be a real account. She plays good, I'll tell you that. She plays real good, man. 1600. I mean, heck, she had me going for a second. Dude, I dropped that freaking mate, bro. I didn't drop the mate. I had to go. I had to take this first. Now I'm threatening mate. Now it's over. Yeah. I dropped. The thing is, the blunder was so dumb that I didn't see how dumb it was. And then when I'm like, oh no, night back, she was thinking the same thing, but she had no time. Good game, Christoph. Christoph, let us play, my friend. I think I outplayed him in the tournament game this way. Yeah, he did this. He Tetrised. He full Tetrised, folks. Yeah, now do we take? Do we go? I think we shove. It was the theme of the stream last time with the shove, guys. Okay, just come back, I guess. Wow, I feel like I'm losing right here, guys. I feel like I'm losing. Yeah. Dude, I felt like I was losing, but I didn't see it because I'm trying to stay up. I'm trying to stay with him on time. He has 31 seconds at 18. All right, Kirby. See if I can get you, my brother. See if I can get a game in here right quick. Yeah, I'm probably not allowing that. It's a pretty cool idea, though, right? I'm going to the free square, guys. Free Willy, it's a good square. Okay, this is so insane, but if I take pawn takes, it's going to be crushing. So I have to figure something out. Like, we have to attack El Centro. Okay, and then what do you do? He's coming. He forced me to do it, guys. I'm in so much trouble here. My bishop has no squares, so it better make one and make one now. He's so good! How does he find them all? Kirby says, I've actually noticed a lot of accounts that got banned for cheating are ones that have girl profile pictures and they copy from places like Pinterest. I think it's to gain sympathy for their opponents, not gonna lie. Yeah. Well, if most people... That's pretty good attack up, Opal. If most people... Ooh, we got a 2200. Mose, have I played you before? if most people that play chess are guys, right? And a lot of them are younger guys too, right? And guys like girls. And so, I mean, and there's nothing wrong with this. So because of this, G4 is 1,000,000% the move. You guys knew that, right? Wow, we didn't take it! Okay, oh wait, he couldn't... Okay, what's happening here? I should have taken en passant first. What am I doing? He traps it. Well, that's not very nice. Which one do we take? We go this way. We just make him take it and come like here or something. There's no time to think, guys. It's too fast. Dude, I tried to put it on at the end at the last second, Mo. You felt it. You felt it, Mo. A streamer had a WGM in their bio instead of actually having the title next to their name. They really tried to convince me and everyone in the community Thursday Blitz that they were a real female WGM streamer. But they just said that. Anyway, they got banned the following day for beating FM with 98% 2% accuracy. But AFM Kirby, you know that getting banned has nothing to do with who you beat, right? Serendipitous said, wow, this is so fast. Haven't dabbled in bullet chess yet. Fun to watch. There's no need to rush. If you're toward the beginning of your career, if you have a friend that's at your same level and you guys kind of like been playing chess for the same amount of time and it's like you guys are hanging out, let's try it. It's going to be really rough. You know what I'm saying? But that's a really great way to start bullet. The first bullet chess I ever played was exactly that. A friend of mine and I started playing chess. He had played chess. I had played chess. He challenged me and we were about the same strength. And I was about 17 or 18, and then we started playing against each other. Started going to like tournaments and stuff, and we would start playing. We'd see other people playing 1 minute. We're like, I want to do that, dude. 2100 over here, sustained sacrifice. Let's go. Wow. Hassle and a half. Just... I get nothing out of this. I get nothing out of this. I thought I could take the night. I'm going to resign. So fast, stained sacrifice. Who are you, my brother? Who is he? Joined 16 days ago. He's pretty new, guys. He's pretty new. He's lost a lot of games. This guy is not on some kind of weird streak where he's winning everything. Good game, brother. I will give you a rematch because I want to try and get back at him. He's pretty fast, guys. He's 2100. Okay. That didn't work last time, did it? Who had me in that pin? It didn't work. Keep the pawn this time, guys. I didn't see it! Now I'm just dropping pawns. Oh my god. He's too tactical and he's way faster, guys. Well, okay, actually, I was doing okay on time that game. Good game, Stains. Stannis Sacrifice. Mo says, hello, how are you? Played a good game. Yeah, Mo, thank you for the game, Mo. Thank you, brother. Yeah, man, I stream chess Monday through Thursday, Mo. And I missed Thursday last week, guys. I was playing, I had company. We're gonna give Witness a game. Wednesday, we have a big tournament every Wednesday, guys. Big tournament. Why did I play that move? It doesn't matter, but still, why would you do it? Why would I do this move? Now I gotta come here. Now I gotta come here. Now none of it works. It's like, how do you even attack here, guys? He's just running pawns, guys. This guy does not even... He's got nothing to be concerned with. Okay, attacking stuff. I think we go here, right? Okay, and then we come... I want to take that, but I can't, but I want to, but I can't, but I want to, but I can't, but I need to, but I can't. I'm going to take there. Right. Oh, no. Oh, I didn't see it. I thought it was errand time. You had to think. Anytime he's got to think. I think I was queening, guys. I think I was queening. Yeah, that queen's for sure. Doesn't mean I'm winning. A rook and 3 pawns for the queen. The queen might win that. Electro Falcon. Good game, dude. Good. That was insane. He was winning that game. You guys are way better tactically than me. Okay, I haven't played chess in 4 or 5 days. Always take on D3, I think, is like a Latvian gambit thing. You always take on D3. Oh my god, I dropped the bishop. That was horrible. Okay, so we take here, I guess. Take here, I guess. Okay, he comes with the queen. We come back, I guess. He doesn't want the pawn, and I don't want him to want the pawn. You know what I'm saying? I saw that coming, bro. I finally saw something coming. What did he do? I didn't even see. Did he attack anything? God, you gotta move! Let him have him. I don't care. I gotta move. I gotta stop the threats. Wow. He finally took one, guys. He caught me on time. Dude, he's so good at the ends, man. Electro Falcon, if we played rated, you would rob me of my rating points. He would rob me of my rating points, guys. I would have no chance. That was a really good game. He's 1137. It's insane. He has this thing where he'll like let you get more material, but be down on the clock, and he's great. Grab one thing, guys. Guys, if you like what we see, hit the follow button. Like I said, Monday we play 1 minute against viewers. That's what I'm doing right now. Tuesday I play rapid against Twitch subs, YouTube members, and Facebook supporters. Wednesday we have our tournament, 10 plus 5 unrated tournament. We've been doing it for almost 6 years every week. We have a well-established community here, so we're going to be here. And then Thursday, I play 3 minute against anybody. That means you. And I go over my tournament games. And we learn chess together. And the community is growing like weeds, man. It's growing. When we hit 1,000 on Twitch, I am definitely doing a extended bonus stream for Twitch. Probably a 12-hour Twitch exclusive to celebrate it. Because I'll tell you something, man. 20,000 on Facebook. I mean, it was really hard back in the day, but we got there. And then 3,000 on YouTube. It's growing, and it's amazing. It's insane to have 3,200 on YouTube. Twitch ain't easy, bruh. Twitch ain't easy, bruh. Always wanted to see you back to play over the board tournament and make a vlog. Moan Chaotic. I know I've thought about it, man. I've thought about it a lot. I really feel like, I mean, it's never the right time, right? But I feel like I need to have the community be a little bit bigger than it is now. But maybe not. Maybe not. I think I need to build my YouTube bigger before I do that, because that's going to cost money and it's going to take a lot of time. And it's going to be a lot of time editing the videos, or I might have to help pay for that. Then, so what I need to do is build my YouTube up first. Right. I need to build my YouTube up first. With videos, with VODs, not with freaking, or not VODs, but regular normal videos rather than just the lives, right? And to build that up, get that income going to where then I can start playing some tournaments. I want to get my 2,000 rating, Moan Chaotic. I would love it. I would do a whole bunch of training for it and go back and see if I could do it, man. I wouldn't be surprised if I could. I'll be right back. Feeding Master David Bassett says, dude, you could totally do it. I mean, he's my friend. But he's all, dude, you can get 2,000. I don't know, though. I would need a lot of work. I'll be right back. Only bullet. What did you say? Only bullet. Sure, send it. Gregory Harrington, send it. Rosewood Telly. Is it pinned comment? Is that pinned? Yeah. Gregory Harrington, send it. Rosewood Telly a 1 minute unrated. I'd love to play you, man. Fabiano Carbarana, 1194. Love the name, and he has a picture of the Carbarana food. Carbonara. Do you know how many people dropped that night? I was going to say, do you know how many people dropped this night? A lot of people. I think I take this one so I can get this pawn. Okay, well, I guess I can't get that pawn. We'll come back, I guess. That was dumb, then. Sometimes you gotta admit when you made a dumb move. I made a dumb move. Okay. Connecting, right? Moving. Okay, we don't give him that. Kit Ting. There's no threats here. Except this. Oh, maybe not. Come back for it. Okay, now we're at 3 times or something. I didn't have to give up my bishop for it. I love this about this game. I think contest. I should have done... I didn't have that move before. This is definitely the way to go. This is the way, though. That was a bad move, I think. Strategically, you don't put your pawns on the same color as my bishop. Got him on time. Dude, what a good game. Yeah, Fabiano. I'm no grandmaster. But immediately, when I played c5, it was to put my pawn on a dark square because of my bishop. So I want to control your pawns, and I want to keep them on light squares. By doing this, you made it a target. I mean, I guess if you leave, I can make it past pawn. So it's all losing because I'm up a piece. But normally you don't put your pawns on the same color as my bishop because then I could just take them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Grahami, you can. You can. Gotta go. Electro Falcons, thank you for being here, dude. Thank you for all the games. You're terrible. Bullet. Hey, welcome to the club. Was that you, Gregory? You're Fabiano Carbarana? I love the name, dude. Are you a big fan of Fabi? I met Fabi. I went to St. Louis and met Fabi. I'm gonna look at your profile, brother. Yeah, that's you, man. This guy's legit. This guy's legit. Dude, that is hilarious. His profile picture is... I'm guessing that's carbonara. Is some kind of pasta. And Fabi's head is right in the middle of it. Yeah. Yeah, I went to St. Louis. I met Fabiano. I met Christian. I met Hikaru. I met Hans. I met and played Eric Rosen. Yasser. I mean, I met so many people. Wesley. Levon. Aronian. What do you do here? Is it just castles? It's probably not. Okay, come back. Oh, I could have took that now with my queen? Is that what you're telling me? This almost guarantees a piece. Once you put his queen there, I'm guaranteed a piece. Because we're coming. We're kick drumming, folks. He's rated 371. Dude, Graham, you're playing really good for your rating. You're playing great for your rating, dude. I'm not even kidding, brother. I am not kidding. You think I'm lying? You're not. You're playing really good for your rating. Nothing to complain about here. Interesting move. Dude. Yeah. That did not feel like a 300, Graham. You played good, dude. Yeah. I mean, obviously I was ahead the whole game. Blazer, don't beg. Send me my challenge, man. Yeah, got you, Grahami. I got it, man. Good game, dude. I'd love to meet Hikaru. He adopted my friend the other month. Absolutely destroyed him in 13 Blitz games. Really? I played Hikaru online, too. I can show you the game. You think I'm kidding? You guys want to see... Do you guys want to see a game where I was winning against Hikaru Nakamura? Not even kidding. I'm talking when he was over 2,800. Not like when he was 5. going to show you right now. Let me show you. Where do we go? We go here. I'm going to show you my game against Hikaru Nakamura, and this is no. This is no joke. This is no joke. The games. View the games. How do you view the game? How do I search? Oh, I guess. When I go to my own, isn't this my profile? Games. There we go. Search. His name is like GM Hikaru or something. Opponent. GM Hikaru. Is that him? What's Hikaru's name on internet? I mean on this thing. What's Hikaru's name, guys? Does anyone know? Let me see. Let me get a window from here. Because I have a game. It's in my history because I played him. What's Hikaru's chess.com name? It was one move, guys. I played a move that was a little bit more natural than you would think, and it was horrible. Just Hikaru? We'll try Hikaru. We'll try Hikaru. I'm searching my games. I think I found him, guys. Search. There's only one game, guys. Bad news. There's only one game because I only played Hikaru Nakamura one time, but this is the game right here. All right, and I was winning, and I'm going to show you. This is a blitz game, and I was rated 1460. He was rated 3200. You seen this game before, Daniel? It's a thing of beauty. How did you get to play with him? Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did, Greg Harrington. I had to find his name first. How in the world did you play Hikaru? Dude, worse than that, ask me how in the hell how in the world did I play Eric Rosen? I played Eric Rosen over the board. Okay? For reals, guys. Okay, game review. Let's look at the numbers. I'm sure he beat me on the game review because he's what second rated in the world, and I'm a beginner compared to him, right? Let's look at the numbers. 72.4% by me, 84% by him. I had one great movie, he had 3, but he had 1 blunder. I had 0 blunders. He had 1 blunder. That's how I was better. I played like a 1800. He played like a 2450. I actually played pretty good this game, believe it or not. And you're going to see. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, and I will tell you after the game, I will tell you how I got to play Hikaru on chess.com. E4, C5, knight f3, D6, D3. Knight C6, it's a book move. Knight BD2, inaccuracy. I had to play something better. What's the book? What's the book? Knight BD2 is the second most common move in the database, only 8%. G3 is the most common move. But I transpose. G3. Black is slightly better. Bishop G7, Bishop G2. Hikaru's playing black. He plays E5. It's not a bad move. It's Stockfish best move. I castle. Knight E7. It's Stockfish, guys. I'm playing Stockfish here, but it's actually Hikaru. This is not his bot. This is okay. See at the top, it says GM Hikaru. His name is just Hikaru, and the GM is his title. No, this is Hikaru, guys. Okay, he castles. I play rook over. He plays h6. I play knight f1. It is the second best Stockfish move. You guys see it, right? You would just play knight f1 here. I mean, of course. Okay, it moved to the third best, but it's still a maneuver. H4 is not even on the list. Yeah, it's like losing half a pawn by playing h4. Bad move by me. He plays f5. That's an inaccuracy for sure. No? It's torn between queen to 7, knight f5. He's just playing like Stockfish, guys. It's Hikaru. Gf5. I played e5. This is a bad move. Jesse Troy, I've been good, dude. You kind of gave the spoiler alert. Do you have an over-the-board rating? My over-the-board rating in the United States Chess Federation right now is, I think, 1871 or 74 or something. But I peaked at like 1994. in the United States Chess Federation. I was right there, man. If you're in the USCF, you know how big of a deal that was. I was so close. At 2000, you get your first title in the United States Chess Federation. It's called an expert. And I was right there. And that's kind of why I started streaming again, to start playing more chess, to go back and claim my rating. It's -2. The biggest blunder was where? Yeah, right here's, that's a bad move. It gets better for him. And then this is a bad move that's like losing. Well, not that bad. This is the bad move. I have to go DC5, EF3, Bishop F3, and I'm only like down a pawn, according to Stockfish. But I'm down a piece, and I'm human, and I can't do that. So I got to save my knight. Okay, we'll see where Hikaru made his mistake. And I'm going to show you guys the move I should have played. He plays F4 like Stockfish. That's a move. I take, because I'm not scared. Stockfish, best move. He takes my pawnster. Was that the best? No, it's not. He's supposed to play Queen H4 in this position. Or King H8. And you're going to see why in a minute. He takes with the knight. I play Knight G3. I played the Stockfish move, guys. Knight G3. He takes. I have no choice. Stockfish move. He shouldn't have took. Yeah, he's torn between King H7 and Knight takes. But here's the. It keeps wanting King H8 and King H7 because of the file. And you're fixing to see it. You're gonna see it. It's just Hikaru. Okay, here we go. Takes. Queen F6. Queen F6 is not even on the list. Let's see what it does to his rating. He's -2.3. It's -2.3 for Hikaru. Now it's -1. So he lost a pawn in the third by playing Queen F6. Now let's see if I get some Stockfish moves in, okay? Rook H1. Stockfish #1 move, Rook H1. Now I know I'm playing Hikaru. It's like when you're playing a good player, sometimes you just like want to bring your pieces out and like bring your rooks to the middle of the board. And before you attack, like you build up even more. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, I'm like, okay, I could have put a rook here and brought my king back and tried to play it on this file, but I want to put this rook here, and I think I'm bringing this rook to G1 and then bring the king over. But rook H1 is a Stockfish move. King H7 is a Stockfish move. He doesn't play it. So rook AG1. Now it's like he's up about a pawn or a pawn in the third. Now I'm winning. It's +3 right here. It's +3 right here. Look at it. I'll be right back. One sec. Okay. On the clock. I have 124. He has 142. You know what that means? That means he has like an hour and a half and I have like 10 seconds. That's playing. It's like fighting Mike Tyson. You got no chance. You got no chance. You know what I'm saying? But that was a blunder. So I play Knight F3. And his best move here is Queen B2. Trading queens. It's just protected, so I just play like Knight E5. This is the Stockfish moves. Takes. D4. He's got these, but it's +3.8 right here. Okay? So that's how bad Knight F3. He just played a really bad move. Like literally, it goes from -0.6 to +3.5. It's like losing 4 pawns. It's like losing a knight and a rook. So I go. He takes. Now, here's where I made my mistake. What do you play in this position, guys? I want you guys to answer it. I'm going to tell you when it's over, Greg. I said when I'm done with the game, I'll tell you how I got to play Hikaru. You played your first tournament over the board a few months ago. Only got the initial rating from USCF. Yeah, Greg, don't let that initial rating... Greg says King F1. Poople says King F3. Anyone else? Tell me what you play in this position, guys. Because I'm playing a Super Grandmaster. One of the best in the world. At the time, I guarantee Hikaru was like rated second in the world. Maybe Fabi. Maybe it went Magnus, Fabi, Hikaru. And I went either way. I'm opening the file toward his king with nasty threats. Oh, that's really high, dude. 1364 is really high. Yeah. I think my first, I don't know if it was my first rating, my first established rating. I think my first rating was 1394. But it might have been my first established rating. Like, no, I think it might have been my first rating. Might have been my first Chess Life magazine. Might have been 1394. I'm not sure if it was my first established or my first provisional. But you're playing a Super Grandmaster. What do you do? Because I can't calculate as good as him. I'm going to try and calculate. I'm trying to beat him. I'm not just giving up, right? But king safety. Come back. And I'm threatening this. Well, he has bishop g4. The attack's over. Some pieces are getting traded off. I'm not gonna get this this fork. He can always defend this way. It's over. I'm completely screwed. I completely ruined my life. Whoa. But if I play king f3, it's plus 4.3. It was in this position. I could have been up plus 4 point. It's liking it more and more. 4.4. Queen e7. Knight h5. Rook f7. Bishop d4. Look at the pressure, guys. Bishop f5. Takes. Check. Whoa. King e2. Takes, check. He's still getting crushed. Look at that. Bishop e5. Recheck. King f8. Then I take the bishop. What am I up? I have 2 pieces for the rook. But his rook doesn't play, and it's going to take a minute for it to play, right? Because his pawn's here. And this is all blocked. This is all clogged. The bishop is awesome. And the crazy thing, too, is the knight's awesome. And so, yeah, this is my game against Hikaru. But the reason I did this, okay, I have a minute and 23. Let's see how long I spent to play the losing move. I spent 7 seconds out of a minute and 23. I didn't realize how safe my king was here. There's no checks, man. Rook f7, knight h5. Things are looking pretty naughty, man. Especially with this. Yeah. I'm not supposed to beat Hikaru, but I still tried. Okay, now Greg Harrington asked, okay, but you still... Oh, you went 2 out of 5 in the under 1800. Dude, that's great, Greg. Queen e7 is very unrealistic, I think. I mean, nobody beats Hikaru in Bullet. LOL, no shame. No, this wasn't Bullet. This was a 5-minute game. And he was playing more than one board, too. I mean, come on. He's one of the top players in the world, right? This wasn't even over the board. Greg, yeah, man, 2 out of 5 in the under 1800 is great, man. Greg, once I played my first few tournaments, probably in my section, and then once I realized the way to get better is to play better players, if I ever had the choice, I would play in the open or in the higher section. They could have under 2,000 or under 2,000 and open. And I was rated 1994. I'd play in the open. You say, but you're at the top of 2,000. You could win money. I'm not there to win money. I'm there to play masters. I'm here to play chess. You know what I mean? I have a job to make money. Which good call. I'll definitely play it. Again, you coach somebody to go for the under 800. So we went for it. Well, if you have a coach and he told you that, that's great. I'll tell you, starting out, I would recommend it to my pupils, which I don't have. Your coach is a real coach and I'm not. I would recommend to play the under 1800 as well. And if there was an under 1400, I'd say you play the under 1400. Get some time sitting at the board, writing the moves down. It's too much stuff. In addition to playing chess, your first chess tournament is crazy. Set me up, dude. Man, I'll walk right in. I'll freaking pay my entry fee. Okay, what time do the pairings go up? Man, I'll run over to Golden Corral, eat some breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Talk to some of the guys. Look up my opponent, see if I can find anything on him, you know. I might get to the board on time. I might get to the board late. I had a really interesting characteristic of mine where I wouldn't write my opponent's name down on the score sheet. I would only write down their rating. They give you a score sheet, guys, and that's where you write your moves down. And it says white player, and you write your name if you're playing white. Then it says a black player, and you write their name down, right? Yeah. I didn't write my opponent's name. I'd write white, Sardo, black, and I'd just put his rating. Because he's not even human to me. I'm just going to completely destroy him. I don't want to humanize him. Very Bobby Fischer-esque, you know what I'm saying? It was all about crushing people's egos and minds, and it was all about winning and nothing about anything else. How I got to play Hikaru Nakamura? You say, I'd like to play Hikaru. How'd you play Hikaru? Well, you know I do this for a living, okay? I started streaming chess. November will be 6 years. And 6 months after I started, I went full-time. So, I've been doing this a lot. And I consume a lot of content. When Hikaru went over to Kick, when he started his Kick, I was aware of that. I went over to Kick. I have a Kick too, but I don't really stream there. And I went over to Hikaru's Kick, and he was on Twitch, I think, and I was watching him. And he said, okay, guys, we're going to go over to Kick. We're going to go over to Kick stream. I'm shutting this stream off. He was trying to get people on his Kick. So I went over to Kick, and I was watching Hikaru. And he said, I'm going to play viewers 5-minute chess. Oh, I'm going to play subs 5-minute chess. So I went, whoop, got my wallet, got on my credit card, ding, 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 paid $5 a month, joined Hikaru's, I quit that, didn't I? Dude, if I didn't quit that, that game's probably cost me like $150. I quit. I subscribed, I had to go look though. I subscribed to Hikaru for like $5 a month. And then I typed whatever they told me to type to get in the queue. And since he was new to Kick, and there was only a few thousand people watching, and then there was probably only a few, couple hundred people that were subscribers, and then out of that, there's probably only, 30% of those people want to play. I put my name in, and I played Hikaru. That's how I played Hikaru. It was the right place, the right time. And when I met Hikaru, I told him about that. And dude, let me tell you something. He's so hardcore. I mean, it's his life, right? He has to beat Magnus Carlsen or lose money. He has to beat Fabiano or lose money, right? I mean, that's his life. So I told him, I said, I played you on Kick. He said, oh, really? I said, yeah. I said, it was when you very first got your subs. And I subbed real quick, and you were doing subs only. You were playing games. And so I'm like, this is an opportunity. I might be able to get in, right? Rather than having 10,000 people that they're all clicking the same button. And I told him that, and I said, yeah, I said, I was actually better. He said, really? I said, yeah. He said, what was the name? I said, Rosewood Telly. I wouldn't be surprised. Someone that smart and that into chess, I wouldn't be surprised if he went home and was like, honey, it was since he's been married. Honey, what's that guy's name again? Rosewood Telly? Because they're smart people. She might remember herself. They probably don't. She might. Rosewood Telly. Look at the game. Oh, yeah, I blundered knight f3. Okay, yeah. I'll either play this king f3 and I'm crushed. Yeah. But you also would say, yeah, but the guy's 1400, so he's not going to win, right? Hey, Demon AK, 1 minute. Is that unrated, though, Demon from India? Demon AK 47, you need to send it unrated. He would, no. Well, I think Hikaru is exactly what you see and exactly what you get and exactly what the world believes. Within reason. When the entire chess community says that, 25 years ago, he was really hard to deal with. He was very emotional. He could get rude because he was emotional or whatever. He was very polite to me. But see, I had some connections with him. Because, was it you? No, there was a guy earlier, the basketball guy, Eunice Rodman. He told me his name, I think, on Lead Chess and on Internet Chess Club or something, ICC. Years ago, there was no chess.com. And by far, kind of like chess.com right now, is the site. Now, Lead Chess it has a lot of people. But all your top grandmasters, a lot of them, most of them, Magnus, Hikaru, Fabi, all your top players in the world play on chess.com. Internet Chess Club was one of the only reasonable places to play for any level. And I play there all the time, and I don't know if you guys know who Gadakamsky is, but Gadakamsky and Hikaru used to have battles there, playing like 3 minute or 2 minute. And they would play a lot, like almost every day. And Gata was probably like early 20s or something, and like I think Gata's been number 3 in the world. Did he play for a world championship? Gata's a very, 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 very strong grandmaster, and Hikaru was probably like 12, 13. And so Hikaru was playing this guy that was better than him. You know what I'm saying? And I used to watch Hikaru play on ICC a lot. Well, ICC, I don't know if it shut down for a while. It just became so defunct that no one even knew what happened to it. Someone's spending money on it now. They're starting to talk about Internet Chess Club. But if you ever check out that site, I mean, there's no way it could be as good as chess.com. I'm sorry. Because chess.com has too many millions of dollars to spend for the anti-cheating stuff, right? But I told Hikaru, man, I used to watch you on ICC. He's like, oh, man, the old days. And I'm like, yeah, the old days. I was 27. You were 12. Like, I was playing on ICC probably before, way before that. You know what I mean? But he was playing at a very, very high level, right? So yeah, so when I talked to him about that, and I threw a couple of names around, Hawkeye. There's a guy named Hawkeye who was really good at 1 minute. He was international master. I think it was Roland Schmaltz from Germany. I think he became a GM later, and that was the guy that like probably could give Hikaru the best run for his money in 1 minute. Is he a douche in person? I quite like him in a professional setting. Sure, anyone is nice. Yeah, anyone can be nice. Anyone can be a douche. Depends on the situation, their day. You know what though? If someone can be a douche when they're having a bad day, then that person's just a douche, in my humble opinion. The big kids, when I'm having a bad day, you know what I do? I treat everybody with respect on my bad day. Got to grow up and do that, guys. Some people think they're too important. They think they're more important than everyone else, so they can get mad. And it's like, you're an idiot. That's just my humble opinion. But Hikaru grew up a lot. And now, at least, he's one of the top chess players in the world. Magnus being stable, he doesn't get kicked out of the tournament, right? Because he's Magnus. And Hikaru blew up at Fallujah a while ago on that. I was on Hikaru's side, but Hikaru should have held chess.com to the fire. Chess.com gave Fallujah a break. They were supposed to play right now, and Hikaru was sitting there waiting. Fallujah just beat somebody, I forget who, and now Fallujah has to play Hikaru, and Fallujah says, I'm tired, I need a break. And Chess.com gave him a break. That's not the format. Now Hikaru's sitting there waiting for Fallujah. All the mind games, all that, this and that, maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. Hikaru got mad at Fallujah. Hikaru should have got mad at Danny. He had him on a Zoom call and stuff. He should have said, you're changing the rules. Everyone's been in his position. Everyone came back from the loser side and had to win 3 matches in a row and then play the final. Everyone did that. I did it. He did it. We've all done it. He's tired. That's baloney. Because you know what? When he's freaking done with his break, I'm going to be tired. You have a schedule. You can't make the schedule? Start the clock. Sorry, man. That's what Hikaru should have done if he wanted to make a stink about it. He should have made them follow the rules. He should have said, I'm playing chess on a schedule here, buddy. I got a life too. Some guy just can't say, he can't just say he's tired and change the whole schedule. Want to look some over the board games. I think one of them had trouble remembering because I forgot to write down every move added to my collection of what first OTB man. Cool, Greg. I probably have a lot of time to look at your games, though. You know what I'm saying? I want to be honest. I could lie. I could lie and be like, oh, yeah, dude, I'm really interested, man. I'm going to check them out. But it's like, if I'm going to sit down and look at any chess game, it's going to be like, I'm going to watch a video, you know what I mean, from a grandmaster or something. I'm going to spend my time doing that. Your coach will help you, though. You got a coach. You played on WCN and bulletin boards before that. Warren, yeah, WCN. Did you play on Yahoo Chess? I never played on Yahoo Chess, but I think that was a king hunt. I think that was the thing, right? Yahoo Chess. There was Internet Chess Club, and there was free Internet Chess Club, and it was literally exactly like Internet Chess Club was the pay version. Free Internet Chess Club was the free version, just like chess.com and Lead Chess. The difference was, I think all these stuff was open source. The people that made free Internet Chess Club made Internet Chess Club. And then somebody monetized it. And they said, okay, well, screw you. We're going to make a free one. And so the interface, I think, was the same. You know what I mean? an internet chess club and free internet chess club, and a lot of people played it on the free one. There's nothing wrong with that. If you're not willing to spend money on chess, that's fine. If you can't afford to spend money on chess, that's fine. And if Lee Chess is better than chess.com, which in a lot of ways it is, that's fine. Yeah, totally. Chess24, there was ChessBase. ChessBase made an online place to play too. Guys, I think I'm going to wrap it, man, because I got to get running. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Guys, definitely on your platform. Facebook, hit the like button on the way out, please. We need you. YouTube, hit the sub button on the way out. Hit the like button if you like what you see. Twitch, definitely want to hit that follow button, man. We're going to do a Twitch raid. I'm going to shut off the other streams, Facebook and YouTube, and we are going to do a Twitch raid. And I will do a bonus game on the Twitch, for Twitch. So, guys, go to Twitch and follow me on Twitch right now, YouTube and Facebook. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Hit the like, follow, subscribe. Throw a comment on the way out. It really helps. Goodbye. YouTube's gone, and goodbye.